GoodWe Galaxy solar panels are a very new product to the market. We're testing them today. UV Power try to test the latest and greatest, newest technologies, and this is part of our trial process. So traditional PV panels require aluminium railing and a bit of extra weight. The idea of the Galaxy is firstly they're very lightweight panels, and we use a Sikaflex and Sikaflex them straight onto a very basic rubber mounting. So we save a lot of time and energy in the process of installation, and also there's a lot less weight. We'd recommend the Galaxy solar panels for roofs that require less weight on them. It's a very lightweight product with a very lightweight insulation process, so something that does not require a lot of weight on it. Insulated roofing sheeting and large decks or very large warehouses that have less framing underneath them, that's the best application for these tiles.
Everything that we can save the money, we will do it. And I know that the government and electricity company will increase the price perhaps 30%. So that's why I decided to